In this video, I will show you how to delete your Canva account. Due to any reason, if you want to delete your Canva account, then just follow these steps. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account that you want to delete. Now once you logged in, on Canva homepage, just click on this gear icon which is located at the top right side. This is basically for settings. Now on the settings page, in the left panel, just click on Login and Security. At the bottom, you will find a section that says Delete your account with Delete Account button. Just click on Delete Account button. Now you will get a confirmation prompt. As you can see, after submitting this form, you have 14 days to log back into your account to restore it before it's permanently deleted. Within these 14 days, if you change your mind, you can just log into your Canva account and you can stop deletion of your account. When you submit the request to delete your account, all the created design, templates and folders will be deleted. All the uploaded media to Canva will also be deleted. Also the themes that you created, including personal, will be deleted as well. Canva will send an email with the code to the registered email address. You just need to open the email and copy the code from here, then paste it in the enter code section and then click on delete account. So that is how you can delete Canva account permanently. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.